You're looking in the mirror, and something has shifted. Your skin feels different, duller, drier, less like you. And you're wondering, when did this happen? Was it gradual? Did I miss something? Did I do something wrong? Here's what I want you to know right now in this moment. You didn't miss anything, and you didn't do anything wrong. What you're noticing is real. Your skin is communicating with you. And for Black women over 50, understanding what your skin is actually saying is everything. Welcome to Golden Ebony. I'm so glad you're here because today we're going to decode what's actually happening with your skin. Not the fairy tale version you see in advertisements, but the real, honest truth about mature skin, skincare for Black women, and why your skin feels so different than it did 5 years ago. And once you understand this, everything changes because you'll stop blaming yourself and you'll start supporting your skin the way it actually needs. Your skin is not just aging, it's reacting. And most Black women don't realize this until the changes become obvious and impossible to ignore. If you've been looking in the mirror and noticing your skin feels different, duller, drier, less even, uneven texture that wasn't there before, you're not imagining it. You're not being vain. You're not overthinking. You're being honest. And that honesty is the first step toward real change. But here's the truth nobody talks about. It's not happening for the reason you think it is. Most women believe their skin just gets old, that aging skin is inevitable, that at 50, 55, 60, you just accept that your skin will look tired and dull and uneven. But that's not the full story. That's only part of the picture. Because what you're seeing right now, in this moment, is the result of years of small, unnoticed damage finally showing up on the surface. And the most frustrating part? It feels like it happened suddenly, like you went to sleep one night and woke up with different skin. But it didn't happen that way. It happened slowly, over years, and now it's finally visible. So let me break down exactly what's happening, because once you understand the real reasons your skin has changed, you can actually do something about it. The first thing you need to understand is your skin barrier. Your skin has a natural protective layer. This barrier is essential. Its job is simple but powerful: to keep moisture in and to keep damage out. That's it. One barrier doing two critical things. But over time, many women slowly weaken this barrier without even realizing they're doing it. Using harsh cleansers that strip your skin, scrubbing too hard, thinking you're exfoliating, trying too many products at once, hoping one of them will be the magic solution. All of these things slowly break down your skin's natural defense system. And once that barrier is damaged, your skin can no longer hold on to moisture properly. That's when everything starts to shift, and not for the better. That's when you start seeing dryness that doesn't go away no matter how much moisturizer you apply, a dull appearance that makes you look tired even when you're well rested, texture that feels rough or uneven, sensitivity to products that never bothered you before. So what looks like aging is often your mature skin struggling to protect itself. For Black women specifically, this can show up differently. Your skin might develop uneven patches, dark spots that seem to multiply, a grayish undertone that dulls your natural radiance. Because melanin-rich skin has unique characteristics, and it needs an approach designed specifically for Black skin over 50. The changes you're noticing are real, they're valid, and they're absolutely fixable. But first, you need to understand exactly what's happening beneath the surface, because your skin barrier is the foundation of everything. When your barrier is strong, your skin thrives, it glows, it looks healthy and radiant. But when your barrier is weakened, everything falls apart. So the first step is recognizing that your skin isn't failing you. Your skin is asking for a different approach. Your skin is communicating that it needs gentleness, support, and the right products designed for your specific needs. The second thing that's happening is slower recovery. And this one is important because it explains so much of your frustration. When you were younger, your skin could bounce back quickly from almost anything. A breakout would heal in days. Dark spots would fade. Your natural glow would return without much effort at all. You could try a new product, and if it didn't work, your skin would recover fast and move on. But after 40, and especially after 50, that recovery process slows down significantly. Not because your skin has stopped working, not because your skin is broken or failing, but simply because it takes more time to repair itself. This is biology. This is normal, but it's also one of the biggest reasons women feel like nothing is working anymore. So now every small issue stays longer than it used to. A breakout doesn't heal in 3 days, it takes 2 weeks. Dark spots don't fade as quickly. Fine lines and expression wrinkles become more noticeable, and your skin starts to look tired more often. This is where many women get frustrated because they're doing what they've always done, but the results aren't the same. But the truth is, your skin just needs more support than before. Your skin isn't rejecting you, it's asking for a different approach. And that's actually beautiful because it means you can absolutely give it what it needs. The key to understanding mature beauty and aging gracefully is accepting that your skin's timeline is different now. Healing takes longer, change takes longer, but it absolutely happens. And when you work with your skin instead of against it, the results are more beautiful and more lasting than anything you experienced when you were younger. So, if you've been feeling frustrated because your skincare routine isn't working the way it used to, this is why. Your skin needs more time, more consistency, more targeted support. And that's not a failure. That's wisdom. That's maturity. The third thing is something most people completely underestimate, and that is long-term environmental exposure over decades. Even if your skin doesn't burn easily, even if you never had sun damage in your 20s and 30s, your skin is still being affected by the environment every single day. Sun exposure, pollution, heat, climate changes, all of it builds up slowly over time in your skin cells. And for melanin-rich skin, for Black women, this environmental damage often shows up differently than it does for other skin types. Instead of bright red burns, you see uneven tone, hyperpigmentation, patches of discoloration that seem to appear out of nowhere. So even if your routine hasn't changed since you were 35, your skin has been absorbing years and years of exposure, and now it's starting to show up. You might see this as dark spots, as melasma, as areas of your face that look darker or lighter than others. And you might blame yourself. You might think you did something wrong. But the truth is, this has been building for years. This is accumulated sun exposure and environmental stress finally manifesting. Now, here's the part that most people get completely wrong, and this is crucial because this is where most women make their situation worse. They think the solution is to add more serums, more treatments, more steps, more actives, more products that promise to fix everything. The skincare industry wants you to believe this because more products means more sales, more complexity means more confusion, and confusion keeps people buying. But the truth is, adding more usually makes things worse, especially if your skin is already stressed and reactive and vulnerable. Because if your skin barrier is damaged, if your skin is struggling, adding more powerful products, more actives, more treatment steps, only increases the problem. It's like throwing gasoline on a fire and wondering why it's burning hotter. What actually works is much simpler than that, much more elegant, much more aligned with how your mature skin actually functions. You don't need to overload your skin. You need to support it. And there are 3 foundational things that make all the difference. These aren't sexy. They aren't going to go viral on social media, but they work. First, gentle cleansing, so you stop stripping your skin of its natural oils. Stop using harsh soaps and rough washcloths. Start treating your face like the delicate, mature, beautiful skin that it is. Use a gentle cleanser. Use your fingertips. Be kind. When you cleanse gently, you're not disrupting your skin's barrier. You're removing what needs to be removed without taking away the protective oils your mature skin needs. This is the foundation. Everything else builds on this. Second, deep hydration, so your skin can regain its natural moisture balance. This isn't about slathering on products. It's about choosing hydrating ingredients that your mature skin can actually absorb. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, niacinamide, things that help your skin hold on to water. For Black women over 50, deep hydration is non-negotiable. Your skin needs it. Your melanin-rich skin needs consistent hydration to maintain its natural glow and radiance. When your skin is properly hydrated, everything else improves. The texture becomes smoother, the tone becomes more even, the fine lines become less noticeable. Third, daily protection, so you're not adding more damage while you're trying to heal what's already there. This means SPF every single day, not just at the beach, every single day. Because sun damage is cumulative, and protecting your skin now stops the damage from getting worse. These 3 things work together. Gentle cleansing removes what needs to be removed without harm. Deep hydration restores what your skin has lost. Daily protection prevents new damage from occurring. That's the complete approach. That's what actually works. That's it. 3 things: gentle cleansing, deep hydration, daily protection. Simple but powerful when done consistently over time. This is the approach that transforms your skin. This is confidence building. This is aging gracefully. This is showing up for yourself with consistency and care. And here's what you absolutely need to remember. Your skin is not failing you. Your skin is not broken. Your skin is not getting old in a bad way. Your skin is responding to how it has been treated over time. Your skin is communicating with you. Your skin is telling you what it needs. And once you understand that, everything shifts. You stop fighting your skin and feeling angry at your skin, and you start working with it. You start having a conversation with it instead of a battle against it. Because the truth is, you can absolutely have healthy, glowing, radiant skin at any age, at 50, at 55, at 60, at 65. But it requires 3 things: awareness, consistency, and the right approach designed for your skin type and your life stage. Awareness means understanding what's actually happening with your skin instead of believing the myths. It means recognizing that your skin is reacting to years of treatment, environment, stress, and time. It means taking responsibility without taking blame. Consistency means showing up for your skin every single day, not sometimes, not when you remember, every day. Because skin healing takes time. Real results take weeks and months, not days, but they do come. And when they do, they stick, they last. They become part of your natural beauty. And the right approach means understanding that skincare for Black women over 50 is different. Your skin has unique needs. Your skin responds to certain ingredients better than others. Your skin's barrier is different. Your skin's melanin is different, and your skincare should reflect that. If you've been feeling like your skin has changed, like it's betrayed you, like nothing works anymore, now you know why. And more importantly, you know what to do about it. You know it's not your fault. You know it's repairable. You know there's a path forward. And that path starts with these 3 foundations: gentle, hydrating, protective, simple, powerful, transformative. So here's my invitation to you. Start with one thing this week, just one. Choose one of these 3 foundations: gentle cleansing, deep hydration, or daily protection. Commit to that one thing. Notice how your skin responds. Notice what changes. And then, when you're ready, add the next one. Because that's how real, lasting skin transformation happens. Not with overload, not with complexity, but with intention, consistency, and genuine care. This is what mature beauty looks like. This is what aging gracefully actually means. It's not about fighting your age. It's about honoring your skin, understanding its needs, and showing up for yourself with consistency and love. If this resonated with you, if you felt seen and understood, I would love for you to leave a comment below. Tell me which of these 3 resonates most with you. Tell me what changes you've noticed in your skin. Tell me what you're going to commit to this week. I read every single comment and I respond personally. Your story matters. And if you haven't subscribed to Golden Ebony yet, now is the perfect time, because we're building a community of Black women over 50 who are refusing to accept the myths about aging skin. Women who are choosing to understand their skin, to support their skin, and to age with confidence and elegance. Every week, we talk about fashion over 50, skincare for mature Black women, style inspiration, confidence building, wellness practices, and everything in between. Because true beauty over 50 isn't about fighting age. It's about embracing who you are and showing up as your most radiant self. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for caring about your skin. Thank you for being willing to learn. That willingness is everything. Stay elegant, stay confident, stay exactly who you're becoming. I'll see you in the next video. Golden Ebony loves you.